Today, I'll show you 5 distinct AI bots that you may use to earn more than $1,000 each day. Almost all of the tools I'll be discussing in this video are brand new as far as I can tell. They're going to astound you with their might. We'll discuss how simple they are to use and how to incorporate them into your business. But before we start, welcome to That AI Ninja, the channel where we show you how to earn easy money by using the latest AI technology. Consider liking this video, subscribing, and hitting the notification button to stay informed if new and popular money-making techniques are posted. So let's start by defining what an AI is. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which is an abbreviation for systems and machines that mimic human behavior to carry out tasks. What makes these AI boxes unique is their capacity to continuously improve based on the data they have already gathered. So it appears that they absorb the knowledge we have provided and develop along with it, becoming smaller. Cool then. The first 2 photographs we have on this list, right here, are cool generated photos. So that's over at the created folds. Now that we're on the same page and we know what AI is, this is essentially an AI algorithm. This creates human faces or avatars, and these faces are entirely original and not found anywhere else online. You can view some samples of these artificial intelligence generated faces if you look down below. And at this point you could be asking yourself, what is the purpose of this tool, and where can I say incorporate it into my company to earn money online? And to address that, several significant businesses already utilize these various phases for their web marketing initiatives and advertising campaigns. Consider that instead of spending a lot of money and visiting there, by utilizing an AI platform like this, these businesses are reducing their costs while still obtaining photographs of genuine people that they can use to advertise their various items online. The site itself actually goes even further in depth, as I'll demonstrate to you in a moment. Therefore, from here, you should go to the top and click Generate a Full, which will direct you to this page. It's a randomly produced face, as you can see. This is a completely artificial face that was made by an AI, therefore it is not a real human face. Let's assume that I wanted to alter this face. Simply clicking the random phase button up top will cause this to alter in a matter of seconds. You're going to notice that it will produce a totally new face exactly like this, aren't you? And if I saw this online, it seems like a human. You can tell that the work these individuals are doing with the aid of these AI technologies is really powerful, since I wouldn't think that this is AI. You can also do it if you want to enrage them. In addition, therefore, as you can see, there are many different things you can accomplish on this website. You can use this completely free if you want to make any adjustments and add these many artificially intelligent faces to your landing pages, bridge pages, or any other type of internet marketing campaign. The technology is crazy, as I just explained. We are now entering the following 2. These 5 effective AI bots that you may employ to make money online are what I have for you folks here on the list. And all of those tools are over at writer.com, which I adore. This one, where I make thousands of dollars online, has probably had the biggest impact on my business. Additionally, I think of this as a kind of online virtual writing assistant, am I right? Or do I write using a tool that enables me to produce excellent internet content? You can see some of the features they offer if I scroll down here. This can be utilized to generate a pitch for a company idea, to write emails, and to say, develop landing pages and website copy. This tool is really accurate and professional and provides you with real high-quality content for my business. The list is unlimited, and even if you choose, you may use it to reply to messages. I utilize it right out to build some of my web landing pages so that I can complete the copyright for those. I utilize them correctly or equally, and you guys can use it for a ton of various things in your businesses as well. And as I have mentioned, this is a fantastic tool in itself. This application will save you a ton of time if you use the internet for anything. I'm sure there's something you have to do every day that takes a lot of time and is incredibly tedious. Additionally, if you had a tool, you could simply assign the AI technology the entirety of the work, and it would literally finish it for you in 1/4 of the time. And this isn't me blowing a gasket. This tool is one of the best all-in-ones, as you can see from the several awards it has won on the G2 website. Platforms too. And just to quickly demonstrate to you how, okay? Not that I mean it does. This blog is one of the ones I can access right now when I log into my account. I'm currently developing an email marketing focused website for one of my online businesses. I simply rose to the top and selected my case here. Therefore, I selected blog ideas / outline width. Fine. However, you have a long list of activities here that you can utilize the tool for. I chose to go to blog idea, and all I had to do was type in my main keyword, which is, email marketing, and it provided me with a complete post that I could utilize to generate income online, so that you can see for yourself how simple it is to use. Regardless of expertise level, anyone can do it. And just to remind you, if you're enjoying this content right now, you've reached that like stage. This is kindly hitting the like button and doing you a favor. It greatly benefits my channel. I'm grateful to you folks for it. PlayHT is the name of the tool in front of you. It is a text-to-speech program powered by AI that produces actual human voices. In the end, all you have to do is type some text into this box right here, press next, and a real human voice will start speaking. I'll give you an example of this in a moment. This text-to-speech tool is now, in my opinion, among the greatest I've ever seen online. And believe me, since I've been working in digital marketing for more than 34 years, I've literally used every type of software available online, and this one is the best in this particular category. Some of the main uses for which I use this software in my company include voiceovers for my various, YouTube automations and channels that I run on the side. I additionally use it for blog posts. Therefore, any of my blogs that you read online will be beneficial, as will any of my talks or even the sales films that you view on particular landing pages. You would never know because this genuinely sounds like a real human voice, and I utilize this platform to produce all of this stuff. It therefore doesn't sound like a name, Because of how well made this application is and how simple it is to get started, I purchased it, so you won't be able to tell us you're a robot. To sign in using your Google account or to send it to your email, all we need to do is click where it says try for free. As a result, I went ahead and signed in, and as you can see, this is how the dashboard will appear. The only thing you have to do is click on Create Audio, and you'll be directed to this website. I'm going to go back over and continue writing now. And the best part about these platforms is that they can be easily switched out, right? Therefore, you can choose any of your preferred AI bots and download various things from them. So in this instance, I'm going to go back and write it off. I'll just copy the first line directly here. We'll then return to PlayHT where I'll demonstrate how everything works for you guys. We can just translate this to voice on the right side of the screen, but I'll give you guys an example of how it sounds right now, in order for you to judge how good something is for yourself.
Email marketing allows you to regularly stay in touch with customers and website visitors. Proven buyers also appreciate being kept up to date with the latest products and promos. Studies show it costs 5 times more to acquire a new customer compared to retaining an existing customer.
You have it then. The voices have been audible. They are extremely clean and professional, and I appreciate that they truly pull out all the stops. There are many bots out there that, would impose their will just to keep speaking, even if there was something like a Kimura, which gives it more of a natural field. Therefore, you guys may use this very, very powerful information in your internet business to make a ton of money there. I want to show you an even more potent tool that I've been utilizing to figuratively destroy since you guys have seen this. Furthermore, it generates thousands of dollars online. So, what we have on the screen right now is in Videoio, and this is probably one of the most innovative tools I've ever seen online. When it comes to ease of creating content online, Video has to be one of the best ones out there, and they produce content that, in my eyes, has one of the most profitable payouts. So you can truly make video from text with this program, right? You may verify for yourself that I am now using all of these techniques to earn money online. You can actually convert a chunk of text in particular. It kind of looks like this. You can actually create videos that you can, monetize online, whether that be on a blog or a YouTube channel. But we are selling them to people online, and you can literally make a lot of money with this. So you can see right here, unlock the power of video. For instance, it will probably be a little bit longer once you paste it into the video system. If you've been following fashion news, you probably already know about YouTube Shorts. I've been trending, like how TikTok and even Facebook have been trending. In order to get software that can quickly make a video for you, guidelines are now being made. The market will then give you a lot of leverage since it wants this. People are less interested in reading and more drawn to watching videos right now. Even if you look at Instagram, you'll see that it's no longer a picture-based service, it's all about videos. You can see for yourself that this is a tremendous chance for you guys to create internet videos. Furthermore, you don't even need to be a YouTube video editor, which is fantastic. The second tool on this list that I have for you is called Grammarly, and it's probably one of the most well-known tools on this entire list. I'm fairly sure you've heard of it. For those who don't know, Gravity is a simple AI power tool that helps you write online. It can be found over at grammarly.com. Therefore, if you frequently type online and are from a nation where English is not your native language, it should not be your essay or dissertation. Things you must complete for college or university. This program may be added to your browser and will actually correct your mistakes for you. Make sure everything is grammatically right as well, correct. The example on this page demonstrates how you can just click a button to see all the words you need to remove from your phrases in order to make them far more comprehensible. And this is yet another fantastic artificial intelligence-powered tool that will help you save a ton of time online. So you're someone who produces content for, say, blogs, you're someone who frequently composes emails, you might be someone else who makes subpar websites online. Test out this device, it truly is alive. You'll save money and make a ton of money at the same time because if someone visits a page or receives an email and you recognize the words, are there any spelling errors? There's probably a grammar mistake there. They won't buy from you since they'll perceive your business as being highly unprofessional and you don't want to project that image. Make sure whatever you copy from the internet is, accurate so that you can earn the most money possible. And I am aware that many students are probably viewing this video right now while you might not be operating an online business while you are a student. However, you may utilize this program for your studies as well because it will save you a ton of time working with teams and a ton of hassles from having to complete all these modifications. Therefore, I would absolutely use Grammarly if I were you guys. And as I mentioned, there are connections to all of these fantastic, strong AI technologies in the description that you guys can utilize to earn thousands of dollars each and every month. There you have it, guys. The data I gathered for you in this video ended there. If you liked it, please click the like button and tell me which of these tools you used in the comments area. Are you going to utilize the internet the proper way? To assist you in creating this content online, making this video for you guys was a lot of fun for me. Much love. And I'll see you in the video after that.